Hi guys, today I'd like to show you how to surface crochet on your finished crochet projects. This works for amigurumi or any crochet project that you've completed and you'd like to add another layer on top to create a stripe, or maybe you want to write the initials of somebody on a crochet project, or perhaps you want to join another crochet project on it, in which case you have a surface to start working on here and you can join another project in a different direction. So these are surface slip stitches here. I've used these for this stripe here on my witch's hat. I've used it on my snowman lip balm holder also to create a stripe on the hat here. So it's quite easy. I'll show you how to work this. I've already made this sample here. You can continue actually to create, whatever shape you want. I'll show you how to start this from scratch. I'm going to cut this one off here. Maybe tie it so it doesn't unravel. There. Okay, so we'll make another stripe over here. What you need to do is pick up your project. As I said, this could be amigurumi because you're working only from one side. Insert your hook in and out the next stitch, like this. Now grab your yarn with your hook and pull it through, like this, okay? Now what you want to do is chain one, okay, and now pull this a little, the tail, and you see where that yarn strand is coming through. You want to go back in there and out the next stitch. Grab your yarn and complete your slip stitch. Alright, and you see where the yarn's coming out? That's exactly where you want to go back in with your hook and out the next stitch. Yarn over and complete a slip stitch. You see how that's coming along? So just keep doing that. Back in, out, yarn over, pull through both loops, in, out, yarn over, and slip stitch. Just keep going until you get to the place you want to be with your stripe, like this, you see? So I want to stop over here. This would be my last one. There's my slip stitch. Okay? You see how that looks? You could embellish any project with this technique. I think it's wonderful to add some texture as well. And add some color. So to finish this off, you're going to pull out your last stitch like this. Cut off your yarn. And fasten it off just like you would any other project. Pull the yarn tail through the loop and pull it to complete it. Then if you want to weave in your ends, you pull them through the back, weave it in as you would any normal project. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope this was helpful. If you'd like me to make more tutorials like this, please subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you. Okay now, have a lovely day. Bye.